So hello, I'm part of Helen's knit club and I started learning to knit about a year ago, and I have been known as my brand of turning everything stripy. So I'm using the circular needles, which I've had for quite a while and have become quite stretched out now, which is brilliant, and I'm making a hat. So I'm going to add the next colour. I've been doing it blue and like a creamy colour, and what I do is I just tie, a bit like if I've had a knot, I tie it really close into the needle, so when I start stitching again it appears and it turns to the new colour. And you always make sure that you put the new colour on the same side each time, because as you can see this side is all neat and that side has got a bit more of a, you can see the sort of pearly pattern on it. And that is it.